Retirement accounts have revolutionized the investing landscape significantly over time. Index funds and tax wrappers offer efficient investment solutions for many people. Automatic contributions simplify the process of saving for retirement goals. A long-time horizon allows investors to ride out market fluctuations effectively. Personal finance planning often begins with a quiet home office setup initially. Calculators and notebooks help track expenses and create a budget plan. Investment charts show the growth of retirement accounts over several years typically. Retirement paperwork and applications can be completed online quickly now. Automatic savings apps make it easy to transfer funds regularly and consistently. Data center servers store and process vast amounts of financial data securely. Startup teams use whiteboards to brainstorm innovative financial technology solutions. Modern workspaces and cloud data centers support the growth of retirement investing systems. Retirement accounts introduced tax wrappers to shield investments from taxes. Index funds became a staple in these accounts, offering diversified portfolios. Automatic contributions helped investors benefit from dollar-cost averaging. A long-time horizon allowed investors to ride out market fluctuations. Tax advantages enabled investors to keep more of their investment gains. Compound interest worked in their favor, growing their wealth over time. Retirement accounts made it easier for people to start investing early. Employer-matched accounts further incentivized employees to contribute. Low-cost index funds made it possible for investors to track markets. Regular investments, regardless of amount, added up over the years. Consistent investing, even with small amounts, led to significant growth. By leveraging these features, retirement accounts revolutionized wealth creation. Retirement accounts introduced index funds, a low-cost investing strategy. Index funds track the market, reducing individual stock risks significantly. Tax wrappers, like 401(k)s, shield investments from immediate taxation. Automatic contributions enable consistent investing, regardless of market conditions. Long-term time horizons allow investors to ride out market fluctuations. Low-cost index funds democratized investing, making it accessible to all. Retirement accounts simplified investing, reducing complexity and stress. Automatic savings apps streamlined the investing process, increasing participation. Data center servers process vast amounts of market data, informing investment decisions. Startup teams develop innovative investment tools, leveraging technology and data. Index funds have become a cornerstone of retirement investing, offering stability. By combining index funds with tax wrappers and automatic contributions, investors can build wealth efficiently. Retirement accounts introduced a new era of investing with automatic contributions. Consistency became key to building wealth over a long-time horizon. Index funds and tax wrappers worked together to optimize investment growth. Automatic savings apps made it easy to set and forget investments. Data center servers processed transactions, ensuring seamless account management. A new generation of investors relied on technology for financial planning. Startup teams developed innovative tools for retirement account management. Whiteboard sessions focused on creating user-friendly investment platforms. Cloud-based services enabled secure and efficient data storage and retrieval. Modern workspaces incorporated financial planning into daily routines. Personal finance planning desks became a staple in quiet home offices. Automatic contributions helped investors stay on track, regardless of market fluctuations. Retirement accounts introduced a new era of investing with tax benefits. Index funds became a staple in many retirement portfolios over time. Automatic contributions helped investors ride out market fluctuations smoothly. Long-term focus shifted investor attention from daily market swings. A longer time horizon allowed investors to capture more market growth. Tax wrappers in retirement accounts reduced investment income taxes owed. Compound interest worked in favor of investors with consistent contributions. Data centers processed vast amounts of investment data securely online. Startup teams developed innovative investment apps for users worldwide. Cloud-based services enabled seamless investment tracking and analysis. Retirement planning became more accessible with digital investment tools. Successful investors often attributed their gains to a well-planned time horizon. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.